Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your speaker Philips EverPlay from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And at the bottom, I need to turn on your headphones to show it to you how it looks when your speaker is turned off. You will still have it at the bottom, but you will see this menu. So you need to click forget this device. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker and leave it at the device list to reconnect it in the future, you can select disconnect if you don't want to totally remove it from your phone. But let's remove it, so forget the device and forget device. And after that we can turn off the speaker by press and hold power button at the right side of your speaker. Press and hold it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!